Good morning everyone and welcome back to another vlog. We're here in the province of Balamban, which is on the other side of the island of Cebu, and we brought you to a very cool, unique place that serves a very unique dish here in the province.
Ever since our friend Tony introduced us to these bibingkas, Jose has been obsessed with these things non-stop. So we decided to come to the lady that actually makes the best ones we've had so far. And yeah, we want to show you like how they're made, what they are, a little bit about it, a little bit about her. And guys, what better way of like showing the food than actually getting the story behind it and the people. So yeah, we're excited. She's letting us here in her little shop that's been here for 40 years. So she knows what she's doing.
Dulce Portoso.
Dulce Portoso.
Kana among signage sa ako ng bana, pangalan sa bana. Mga kuha namin ka years, mga 40 years na.
40 years?
Nagsugod ni Oglo sa
40 years.
Yo, ang kuhan dyan na mo, ang sinugdanganan dyan na mo, itong kuhan, iyaan sa akong bana, kaya nagtubo man to siya sa yang iyaan. Daan na itong nagluto o sa itong yang iyaan.
Dayon ako.
Gamay pa kayo siya nga bata. Ano niya, dayon. Wala naman ang iyaan. Siya may napuli. Dayon, wala naman siya. Nga akong ba na namatay naman. Namatagbaw din mo niya. Basig maato ng tanig puan.
Guys, this is the real deal. This isn't like you have your little perfect stove and your pot on top. Like this is a clay pot. She makes the bibingka out of rice and coconut. She has to cut banana leaf into a circle in order for it to fit into the clay pot. They have to shred coconut, let it dry so it can like keep the fire like an ember basically. Guys, this is a whole process, but she has it down to like a science. The fact that it literally took her 30 seconds to do the whole process, a minute actually, because it takes a minute to cook.
Oh, kani luto na.
Dali ano no?
O, dali ra. 1 minuto lagi ni. Luto na. Balik mayabing na ulit.
Ooh!
Ha? Ako kay. Oh, pwede naman na.
I mean, to be fair you guys, she's been doing this for over 40 years. We just started, so cut us some slack because some of these are looking burnt.
There we go. Whoa. We got that. Look at that. I'm not good, guys. I'm not good.
You guys, the method of making these bibingkas is so interesting. It's something we've never seen before because they use a coconut to cook the top and the bottom of the little pancakes. Honestly, in America, what we would do, we'll just cook it on the griddle, on the hot stove, and that would be it. Flip them, and you're good to go. Here, the method's so unique, and it's rare to find bibingkas to be made in the Philippines like these.
Slowly kay siya.
Delicate hands. Very delicate hands.
Better.
I'm like sweating.
Okay, you did good. You did good. Check your other one. Oh, you gotta wait. You gotta get the. You gotta get it out.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How do I get it out?
Just be careful.
He did not watch me at all.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Wow, look at that. Look at that beauty. But I didn't make that one. She made that one.
Yeah, she made that one.
She made that one.
Guys, we look like we're over here underneath the waterfall. And she does this for hours and doesn't have a piece of sweat on her. And it's hot in there. Whew. Oh wait, this is the one with the chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
These are good.
You like these, right?
Yeah, these are really
Yeah.
good. It's so yummy. It's chewy. It's on the sweeter side. And they will eat this more like a
Snack.
what, a snack, right?
Yeah,
Stop doing this.
This is the real deal. She is here 7 days a week from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. making all of these. And she's a sweetheart, by the way.
How much are those, babe?
These are 25 pesos and these are 50 each. But you get like a lot.
By the way, guys, we have our friend Kirchan over here. He's the one that he's been translating for us.
Thanks, buddy.
Thank you, Kirchan. We both had bibingka before when we were here in Balamban 2 weeks ago. So after we found out how she made them, we knew we had to come see it ourselves. And you know what? It did not live down to our expectations. It is so cool, very unique, one in a lifetime experience to allow us to at least trust us to make these bibingkas.
And it's very, very, very kind of her to not just like show us, but like let us into her home, her store, to like participate. So this is an experience. Like, this is the real deal. These are the this makes us very, 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 very happy people. So yeah, thank you, thank you.
All right, good day everyone from the beautiful town of Liloan. Will and I are here at the local purok, and we're gonna introduce or attempt to make puso.
Puso. If you don't know what puso is, you will after you see this. And if not, then we're showing you something new.
We're super excited. We see them all across food vendors here in Cebu. So let's stop talking and go make some puso.
Will and Jose.
Hello.
All right.
Whoa, she's going fast.
And this is just for one of those?
One strap.
Wow.
Okay.
At the back.
Oh, the back?
Please.
So she's tightening it already.
There we go.
Out of nowhere?
Wow.
Okay.
Baliktad din ito.
You know why they call it the puso?
No.
Puso is puso, P-U-S-O is the Tagalog for heart, and it's like the heart.
Aww.
That's cute. Okay. Also, just so you know, the reason why it's shaped like a heart is because puso in Tagalog means heart. Again, we had no idea, but we're glad we came to see and learn even more about it. Guys, this is these experiences are just priceless. You can't even put it's so freaking great.
Here.
Take that there.
Okay, okay.
Okay, cross.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Another one. That one. Twist. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Ah, come on. Slowly.
Okay, okay.
No, the bottom.
This one?
The back.
Oh, this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yung pasok. Oh, yay! Good job!
Expand.
Oh.
Can you expand your hand? It's
Yeah.
too small.
Baby hands.
Okay.
He's doing it!
Wow, look at it. It's like a.
It's the worst one I've ever
It's
seen.
a broken heart. Wait, mine's like tiny. Hers is like big. Okay. That one. And here.
Yeah.
These are not for sale. This is what we're doing. It's like,
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Show her. What the hell is that? Wait. Look at hers compared to mine. This is proven to be a lot more difficult than I expected. So I passed the baton to Will, and now he's taking a shot on making these pusos. This is how they're supposed to look like, and we're gonna see how Will's is coming along.
don't interrupt my creative process.
Wait, but you're not doing anything.
I'm the hand model.
What just happened?
She's done.
She gave up on you?
She gave up on me. She gave up on me.
She what?
She gave up on me.
So Will and I are dying to know, why are pusos only found in Cebu?
Good question. Because this is just the top of my head.
Okay.
Because I know in Manila, in larger cities,
Okay.
we don't have the material. They don't have the materials to make it. That's actually coconut leaves.
Ah, okay.
I think it's very hard to find in bigger cities.
Okay.
The coconut leaves. You have those raw materials.
Yeah.
And we will think it's easier to carry around, right, for lunches and meals?
Here, that's not just basically in Cebu, but around the Visayas, but then not as much in Manila.
When did she start doing them?
What do you mean?
Like at what age?
Oh, kasi pinaka-related yung marginal came on.
This is like those Rubik's Cube
Exactly.
games.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. At 14.
14.
Ay, tabog lang ka.
Well, she already has one done.
I know!
Mo ba ni? Tir, ikaw ba kamay ka mo tuglo? Ikaw rin pwede na kagpanggot.
Oh, this looks good already.
You're not doing anything though.
Hey, it's on my hand, so I get the credit.
Wait, so how do they stuff the rice?
Good question!
Here. You put the rice here.
Ah,
Until here.
okay. If you can't get this, then you need a new career.
Nah, I got this. This will be the best rice I've ever had. Nope, it's not going anywhere in there. All right, half.
More.
More?
More.
Enough, oh.
I think this is right. What I'm used to doing. Good?
Yeah.
All right.
Ah, good.
Wow.
Very easy.
You're a
Alright.
puso master.
Guys, to be quite honest with you, we both literally thought the rice in there was already cooked. We had no idea that you fill it up with the raw and then you go cook it. And that's where we'll show you those pans. That's how they cook it. The more you know, guys, the more you know. Okay, as you can see, we both suck. So we're gonna have the people that actually know what they're doing do a face-off. It's on. Oh my gosh. You can't take this dude anywhere. What are you doing, Patrick?
Okay, face off, ready, set, go!
Go! Are you starting?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's giving them a head start. Look at her go.
Asli mo pas. Nakitli.
First to do it, throw it here.
We'll inspect them to make sure they're done correctly.
Oh, yeah,
No.
yeah.
No. Oh. Oh.
Okay, okay, it's good.
It's good. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Last one has to fill it up with rice.
Hey.
All right. Yay, good job, you did.
Participation. Woo! All right, guys, that's the ending of this vlog. Like, we did bibingkas, we made puso. Guys, we've had literally the best time with these experiences. Things we'll walk down the street, we'll see them. Never thought we'd be one to, like, you know, experience making them. Guys, people have just been so kind and like willing to like show and share their culture with us. So we could not be more thankful. We suck at making pusos. Like, we are terrible. But you know what? Practice makes perfect, so we can try it again. As for bibingka, pretty sure I can open my own bibingka shop now at this point. But seriously, it's been fun. Thank you for watching. We would suggest anyone, if you're just like in the Philippines, anywhere in the world, like if you see the culture, like what they're doing, just ask them if you can, like, maybe they can show you or you can do it. I guarantee you 100% they're going to be like, yeah, we'll show you, we'll teach you. Because that's literally in the Philippines, they just want to show their culture. So yeah, we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun.